Oh, hello boys and girls, it's Mr. Tatska here, and I'm going to be modelling how to create a clay model of erosion. Ooh, how are we going to do this? Remember our sketches from yesterday that we did? Here's mine, before and after. We were going to show these sketches by using clay. We're going to show a clay model before erosion happens and after erosion happens. So we're going to show these two pictures with use of clay. Now how are we going to do this? I'm going to look at my sketch. Look at my sketch here. And I'm going to get some clay. I'm going to be handing out these packs of clay here. And you will be put into pairs. This is that slab of clay. We're going to cut it up for you into 2 equal parts. And one part and one person is going to model the before erosion. And the next person in your pair is going to show the after model of erosion. So when erosion has occurred, to work with this clay, we need to wet our hands. I am going to wet this up. I'm going to try and create a little mountain that we drew. Mold it with your hands, just making sure that your hands are still a bit wet so it makes it easier. It's coming into form. I didn't really have a lot, so I'm just adding on. Just smishing on like that. I think I wanted it to be bigger. So there was going to be an ocean, so that could be the sandy part in the ocean. It's at the bottom there. I'm going to add this bit to it. Bit of a slope there. It's all about using your fingers. Alright, so that's my mountain, that's my peak. I'm going to break off the little pieces just to sort of represent rocks. Rocks up here, rocky mountain. I think it looks pretty good. I've got my rocks up the top, and then my hill slope, and then down the bottom be where the sand is and where the water meets. Maybe it adds a few more rocks. Maybe put more of a peak. That's my before. So now I'm going to show you the after erosion model using the clay. So I've got the movement of sediment and the movement of rocks, and that part of my hillside has been weathered away, so erosion's happened. down to the bottom where the sand is. So these are my rocks. So you do them in like little balls. Something like that. The sediment has moved from the top and broken down and moved to the bottom. Rain could be a factor. All the rocks came tumbling down like an avalanche or a landslide. I think it looks pretty good. Before, got my rocks at the top, large rocks, grassy bits, sandy bits, and then my after erosion, it's a bit more steep. Movement of rocks and sediment have come down the hill, and trees no longer there. I hope you enjoyed the show, and that's me modelling erosion before and after with clay. Now it's your turn.